Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Carmex Classic Lip Balm. This is a medicated lip balm, and I have to say this is I have been using this for years, and it is one of my favorite. I have it in the original jar. I think they now make it in like tubes or like I don't know how to describe it, the wheel chapstick type of thing. But it says that the iconic medicated lip balm that generations have relied on to smooth and protect dry, chapped lips. This is a really, really great chapstick. It's simple, it does the job, it is medicated. The jar itself, as you can see, doesn't really have information on it. I do still have the original packaging because this is actually a new little jar that I just got. So it comes just in a little, I think it came like that, little package, and then plastic seal around it, just like that. And so yeah, and so on the back of the product, it has your active ingredients, which is camphor, which is used for external analgesic, and then white petroleum, which is your lip protectant. It does have an expiration date on the tube, 9/2019. So I just bought this, so that means that it'll be good for about a year. Carmex does have a money back guarantee, so even if you use this entire jar and end up not liking it, you can get your money back. Carmex products are created to give you optimal care for moisturizing comfort. It's a family-owned company, and it says that we work hard to bring you effective multitasking lip care. So the directions on it say to apply to lips not more than 3 to 4 times a day. And then it also has your inactive ingredients. I'll just show you the back of the product so that you can see all the information. You have your warnings, uses, helps provide relief of symptoms of cold sores and dry lips. So you've got all your inactive uses, warnings, directions. Then other information. This is a personal care item and should be used by one individual only. Protect this product from excessive heat and direct sun. So you really want to just keep it at a room temperature. I don't know why you would put it in the fridge, or I think that the tube itself, the jar itself, is not BPA free, so that's why it says you don't want to have it in excessive heat, because that's when plastic will release toxins that can cause cancer. So you don't want to use it if you've left it in a hot car all night or something like that. Definitely throw it away, get a new one. Yeah, that's just it is what it is. And then you've got your inactive ingredients there. That's pretty much all the information that you get from the packaging. So let's go ahead and open this up. Like I said, this is a new jar, so it's nice and full. I've used it a couple of times. I don't know if you can see it. It has a little bit of shine to it, and it has the scent is it's definitely medicinal. It has maybe a minty vanilla flavor, but I don't know how to explain it. It smells like medicine, if that makes sense. But it's still really nice. You usually want to make sure that I will say though that the flavor is not bad, even though it smells like it's definitely medicine, almost like a cough drop type of smell. When you apply it to your lips, it doesn't taste like that. It doesn't have any taste at all. It does have a cooling sensation though, and I think that's where the medicine comes in, and that's what makes this different than other chapsticks, even the regular chapstick brand, is that you feel it. It's not a burning sensation, but it's a cooling sensation that you get when you put it on. And you only need a little bit, so it lasts, this will probably last me a good 6 to 8 months, using it a couple of times a day for the most part. If it's a day where I'm putting on lipstick or something, I don't usually use this. Sometimes I do use regular chapstick as well, but I like to use this especially when I have a really bad cold, or it's really good for cold sores that you get on or around your lips. It's a medicine basically. So it's different than regular chapstick. It doesn't have SPF like other chapsticks, so it's not just an everyday thing, I feel but I do use it. I just also really like the cooling sensation that you get on your lips, because it just feels like it's really working to moisturize and protect your lips and things like that. I will say that when you use it, you do want to try to make sure you either just wash your hands, or you at least put on like some hand sanitizer or something, just because bacteria, because you use your finger on it, then you close it back up and it lasts a while, like bacteria can grow in there and it can eventually like negate the medicinal products in this product itself. So you want to just make sure that you use it with clean hands, just so that bacteria doesn't grow in there, and you keep the product working as it should. So yeah, this is just a really great product. I highly recommend it, especially if you're someone who's prone to like dry lips. You can get more information at mycarmex.com. They have a lot of different ones. You also don't have to get it in the jar. I like the jar, but they have it in different. They have it in like a tube that you squeeze, and then they have it in like the tube that you roll from the bottom and it comes up like regular lipstick or something like that. But yeah, I highly recommend this to anyone who's prone to like dry lips or cold sores. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.